Hello, Team Purpose Coaches, and happy January. I'm so excited for this new year to begin with so many new opportunities. And I'm here to share with you that it's totally up to you to make those opportunities and to follow through with those that are placed in front of you. So, if you don't have a game plan yet, it's not too late. But I would love for you to sit down when you have a moment to really kind of strategize how you're going to move through this year as a coach. What will you do differently that you didn't do last year? Or how can you work the business, and maybe you didn't work it last year, but you want to work the business as a coach? So set a strategy for yourself that's going to work. The business tracker is something that I am really trying to encourage all of you who want to earn a living being a coach to use. It's an awesome accountability tool. I use it myself. I've actually scheduled in exactly when I'm going to be using my accountability tracker, and it's a time that's not compromised. I will stick to that every single day, Monday through Friday, at a certain time during the week. As a matter of fact, my little planner here, I have it scheduled. I don't know if you can see, but it's actually scheduled in there, okay? So for me, this works. You can put it on your phone. The phone thing doesn't work for me because I'm just like, I see the thing going off, the reminder, and I'm like, okay, and then I slide it, and that's it. This, for me, it works. I don't know. It's just more visible. So whatever works for you, I want you to choose that, and I really want you to stick with it, okay? And accountability is key. Use this page for accountability. You can post on here what you're doing, and the benefit of that is not only being accountable, but you're sharing with other coaches or coaches that are on your team what is working for you. And it's an awesome testimony as well. So, strategize. What are you going to do for this coming year? Maybe you are at a point where you're like, you know what? I haven't really been quite working out myself, and I haven't been drinking my Shakeology, and my nutrition is totally off. So a great way to kind of get yourself back on track is to start an accountability group. And it doesn't have to be with a program. Like, it doesn't have to be per se called a challenge group, meaning like you're doing one specific workout and you're going for 30 days or 90 days or whatever it might be. This is simply a challenge group. An accountability group, which you will create, and you will invite people to come along with you. So what does it do? It helps hold you accountable, and it helps you to coach, and it helps others stay on track as well. I have one going. I've been having one going since the holidays. It's now turned into From Healthy for the Holidays to 2015 Claim It. And I'm about to put out a video to encourage others to join that group as well. What is the advantage of starting a group like that besides holding your own self accountable? Those are prospective coaches who will move on to inspire other people. Those are also people who will finally understand why Shakeology is so important and the nutritional value of it. So then they begin drinking Shakeology, and those are potential coaches for you as well. So many things can happen with your accountability group. So don't allow the excuse of I fell off the wagon to stop you from coaching. Absolutely not. It makes you so connectable because everybody falls off. Everybody falls off, including me. Everybody falls off the wagon, and that's okay because that's life, right? We have our peaks and we have our valleys. And the fact that you are like everybody else makes you connectable. So avoid using the I fell off track to pull back from coaching. That's the point where you should be reaching out to people and share that. I fell off track. I ate really crappy this holiday season. Now I need to get back on it. And I want to bring people with me. I want to show you how it's done. I know how it's done, but I want to show you. And it's, again, dual effect. You stay accountable. You share with others. And you inspire others. So find your strategy for 2015, and I want you to claim it. Whatever you want to do, whether it be with coaching or anything else that you have going on in your life, I want you to claim it. The only person that's holding you back from doing what you want to do is you, nobody else. You're the only person who can give power to that, nobody else. So there really is no excuse. There's no excuse. You have to want to do it, number one, whatever it is. once you have that fire going on, you can do it, and you will do it. It takes time. It takes consistency. It takes failing. It takes failing several times. Get up and do it over and over again until you're one step closer. And share and talk about what you want to do. When you do that, it brings to life. It brings so much life to what you want to do. So, keep that vision board, your dream board, close by. And it doesn't have to be like this. You make one that works for you. And you can have one for your personal life. You can have one for business. You can have one for coaching. Whatever it is that you want to do. Avoid limiting yourself when you create these vision boards. Okay? Sky's the limit. You can, actually, sky's not even the limit. You go past the sky. Put whatever it is you want on there. It sounds foolish, but I have gotten to a lot of points in my career with that mindset. So I want you to do it too. Stay foolish. You have to stay foolish when you dream, okay? You guys are amazing. I'm so happy to bring in this new year with this incredible team, and I wish you all much success in everything that you're doing, okay? I'll talk to you soon, Chief Purpose. And if you haven't signed up for Super Saturday, do it. Whether you are in Connecticut, Rhode Island, Texas, Florida, sign up for Super Saturday. This is the one thing that you can do for you as a coach and the people that you are coaching to kind of give you a recharge quarterly. I encourage you to find your Super Saturday. If you haven't registered, do it, okay? Have a fantastic day.